Hi guys, my name's Titch. Some of you might recognise me from XUK activity last year, and I'm just going to give you a short video on how I make friendship bracelets. So to start, you're going to need some string or some wool that you've got lying about the house. I've got 5 pieces of string here that I've already pre-cut, so I go from my finger all the way up to my shoulder. That usually tells you how long you want your string to be, okay? So once you've cut all of your pieces to the same size, you're going to want to get at the top a nice little knot in your string here, like so. That's all you need, one little knot. And then I'm using a handy XUK clipboard to hold my pieces of string down on. So I can clip the string to the clipboard like so, and then I can start to make my friendship bracelet. The way I'm going to make my friendship bracelet, to start off with, I'm going to separate all of the pieces of string out into their own individual space, so I'm not going to get all confused. The string usually separates itself pretty naturally. Okay, so I've got all my different strands. Now the way this works is we go from left all the way over to the other side with the first piece of string. Now it's pretty simple. All you've got to do with this first piece of string is make a number 4, like so. The piece of string goes underneath that second piece of string, you pull it all the way up to the top, and we repeat everything twice. So I make my number 4, string goes underneath, and I pull it nice and tight up at the top. Now I move this string over. I always keep my first piece of string in my left hand. So I make my number 4 again, pull it through, remembering to do it twice. Move that string over. Still keep this string in my left hand. Make my number 4, go underneath and pull it nice and tight. Make my number 4, go underneath, pull it nice and tight. Make my number 4, go underneath, pull it nice and tight. Now I've reached the end of my row here, so I'm going to leave this string over here and start with the first string on the left. So I make my number 4, go underneath, pull it nice and tight, remembering to repeat that again on the same one so we get a nice knot. And I just keep repeating the process and going down, and you'll see a nice little pattern. So I'm going to speed it up a bit now. So just make sure you keep your string nice and separated, then you're less likely to get it confused. Moving on, same thing again. And a handy trick, if you do end up making a mistake, if you have something like an earring or a needle, you can just unpick the knot with that and just carry on, keep going. So once you get to that final string, move it onto the side, keep going. They do take a long time. But I suppose we've all got a lot of time on our hands at the moment, so and you should now start to see the basic candy stripe pattern coming into play on the friendship bracelet. So this is one of the simplest designs you can do. And now we've completed a row and we've got our first string back up at the top, so if I zoom in you should be able to see starting to get our nice little pattern there, and you just carry on down all the way to the end. Make sure you leave a bit of room to tie it onto the bracelet, but yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, guys.